What's up, everyone? Welcome back to another edition of Lightbringer. So, as you can see, we kind of got some updates here for the Assassinations. So let me get right into it here for you. Okay, so first, let's jump into this. First, we had to create the Stealth-Back Assassin interface. We had to do that through, well, hold on. This thing will pull up. There we go. Okay. We had to make a interface. Okay. Well, first we had to pair all this stuff and to get all this montage and everything created. But here's your BPI assassination that we had to create. And we had to create this character here, which is this character. So here's the blueprint. The reason why you got two here is because one is the person you're killing, and then the other is you as the assassin. Reference. When you kill this guy, this is your guy in action doing the killing, and this guy is the guy that's the victim. So, with that said, you would have needed different actions for each one doing the killing and one doing the action of the guy falling down. Okay, so going back into this coding a little bit. So the Stealth-Back Assassin, which is this, the BPI that we set up, this allowed us to play the animate montage, which we had to create to show those actions that I was talking about. So here's the montage that we created. The ragdoll is a custom event in the event graph, which we'll show you in a minute. This assassinate widget, it would not do any assassination stuff without the widget. So the assassination widget is doing the action of the character when you press the button in game. Set the visibility, of course, of the person doing it, and then the location and rotation of your assassin, of your character, right? And the reference is yourself, but on the dummy's blueprint. Okay, so we go back here now to the regular event graph. The ragdoll custom event, the reason why you need this is because if you kill the dummy will just fall over and pop back up without this ragdoll. So you would have a 2.5 second delay with the mesh, and then you simulate the physics of it falling after you kill it. Now this radius, this shows your interaction with the assassinate widget on your set target, and your end overlap and begin overlap. Up here on the tick, it's the same deal. You're going to use your assassinate widget, get the rotation of wherever your character is at, find the look at the rotation, because basically we created a widget that allowed us to see what button to press to assassinate, and that's what this does. The assassinate widget, get world location, because then it tells you where it's at, and then the camera manager, it rotates with the character and the location. Okay, so you got those now, and then you got the references that I was showing you, and then the last thing, which is the of course, naming what you want it to go above the character set. So if we look at this, let's see here, it's hidden, but it's right there above the character set, as you can see. Alright, now we go in here, you'll be able to see all these assassinations take place. So let's go ahead and get in here. After showing you all that coding, you probably want to see some action now. Okay. Set up some obstacles to give a better idea, so that way you can show a few of them. And up here, do a vault over. crouch with C. And as you can see, the little message pops up when you're in that area. I probably have to get rid of that shadow eventually, but the LM is left mouse, so click that left mouse button, and there's your animation. And he falls, he doesn't get up. Okay. Alright. And it doesn't have any sound effects yet. Eventually we will add sound effects, but for now it does not have any. So it just has the action of showing that these guys have been killed. And of course the last one. It's looking up that way. Alright, so as you can see, we did change the map a little bit. I added this ramp here, took it from right there, and then I added this angled vault thing there, and it took that that ramp and the little circle thing out. So hope y'all enjoyed this update of the assassination stuff for Lightbringer. We will be making more updates soon, so make sure you check out the new videos coming your way soon. I'm working on getting a GitHub repository set up. I'm not quite done with that yet, but we'll be getting that hopefully sometime soon. Otherwise, we will have some more updates for y'all soon. See y'all in the next one.